about to go to their new home.
But it'll work. I already had the PVC laying around, but
so we just used extra PVC, and he just basically sliced it in half, and we're gonna use that as the feeder now.
Mama, can I put the water in? Can I put the water in?
yeah, where's the water? Oh yeah, just put it right here. Just put it right over here.
Oh.
Just put it right here. Oh, that works.
Where did you get this from?
Yeah, where's the?
I got it. The new home.
No, do it from up here. Do it from up here.
All right.
Do it from up here. Just lean over.
Daddy, would
Oh.
you lift
Can we move that closer so that needs to be their daily task?
Here, this is gonna go right here, and this can go here. Granted, I'll have to move it every day, so. So what we'll do every day from here is we'll just fill it up morning and evening, or it just depends on how much they need.
You try one side, I try one. I want to. I want to. Here. Oh!
Of course, I did forget to top off the chickens.
I take away a movie night.
They're all happy. Got some grass to discover.
I got the pet one.
I think they're chasing a bug over there.
Where is the bug?
I don't know. They're all kind of going crazy over there.
Just the one that's still able.
Hard work paid off.
So we got new buckets for the feed that we're gonna use instead of.
We bought Gamma lids for buckets instead of what we were using before.
The first time I opened that Gamma lid, it was hard for me. But open hard for me.
Put some diatomaceous earth in it to keep it from clumping up, and
Not just that, but it helps. It's a good it's like a natural dewormer.
yeah, I think so.
Or it's a
Yeah,
natural parasite.
parasites and all that kind
Helps
of stuff.
fight parasites and worms and all that.
Yeah.
So we just like to mix it in with their feed. We also sprinkle it throughout their coop. And here in the next couple days, we'll be cleaning out their coop. And we're going to film that and explain exactly how we do that for our egg layers.
Yeah. Oh, thank you, buddy. All right, that's good. All right, you can do it.
Okay, so these chicks are 2 weeks old today, right?
Yeah.
2 weeks old today. We would have put them on grass sooner, but we just didn't have the tractor done in time. So we went ahead and put them out here. We will keep them they're just right here at the house. So we'll keep them out here at the house until they reach the 3-week mark.
Mommy!
Yeah, bud.
Bucket water.
Oh, that works perfect. And then we'll start moving them around our yard. We have a spot that we'll start moving them every day on. But right now, while they still require a heater at night, then we'll go ahead and keep them right here up close to the house. And like I said, I think we'll be able to move them, hopefully start moving them daily at week 3 out further away from the house.
All right, so it took us about a week, well, more like 2 weeks longer than we intended to get it done, but
Yeah,
yeah, it was about $225 and make time a little here and there. We got this ready to go.
And we pretty much followed Justin Rhodes's plans. I think the only thing different you did were we added these
out of the hinge. Yeah, I got to figure that one out because normally that wouldn't be there because this is the egg layer plan, but I just boarded that up. But yeah, that.
I think that's the only thing we changed, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so not too bad. Oh, thanks for following along. This is definitely eventful and fun. So stay tuned.